Welcome to our class, Amma. Last class you learned some subtractions. I will explain some more examples, Amma. Look at the book. Open your class book, children. What is the first problem? 676 minus 169. Okay. Now subtraction always coming from ones, Amma. Subtraction, addition, multiplication always coming from ones. Always starts from ones. Ones nunchi your starts. Okay. Now first one is what, Amma? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 means it's a minus means subtraction means it's a removing. You are removing or you are left, you are decreasing. So removing from 6 to 9. First you are taking how many? First number is 6. So you are taking how many lines or how many fingers? 6. That this 6 is shown your fingers. Okay. Now next 9. You are removing how much? The second number is removing. So you are removing 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here only 6 are there. Still you need 3 numbers. So what you are doing now? You are taking borrowing from tens place. You are taking borrowing from tens place. Here in your tens 7 is there. 7 nunchi 1 is gone. 1 gone to ones because 1 gone to borrowing. అంటే ఒకటి డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఒకటి తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో 7 నుంచి 1 డిక్రీజ్ అయితే హౌ మచ్? 6. Okay. Now you are taking how much borrowing, Amma? 10 borrowing. You are tens. So you are taking how much borrowing? 10. 10. Now here already 6 is there. Now 10 plus 6 you get 16. 10 plus 6 you get 16. 10 plus 6 you get 16. After borrowing values are changed. Where it is taking borrowing, that place is decreasing. ఇక్కడ మనం తీసుకునే borrowing place అనేది 1 decrease అయిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ where it is go ones place లో 10 increment అవుతుంది. So 10 plus 6 16. You get 16 number. Still here you are removing or you are subtraction. How much? Sorry. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. You are taking fingers or this lines or one more method I will explain. In last class also I said that method. Once again I will explain that method. This what is the second number, Amma? 9 kada? Yes. You are starting from 9 after to 16. 9 after నుంచి కౌంట్ చేసి ఎక్కడి వరకు కౌంట్ చేయాలి? అప్ టు 16. సో 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, now 16. You are reaching 16. 16 is the first number. You are reaching 16. Second number after nunchi counting first number. So you are getting some fingers. How many fingers you get? Count it. 5 plus 2. 7 fingers you get. So what is your answer, Amma? 7. What is your answer? 7. That is you should write in a ones 7. Okay. Now coming from tens. In tens 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 0. Like this. I explain one example. 6. First you are taking how many? 6. Okay, these are 6 fingers. You are removing how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So still here any fingers are there? Opening fingers? No. So what is your answer? 0. 6 minus 6. 7 minus 7. 8 minus 8. 9 minus 9. That is the all answers is a 0. Same number. Same number నుంచి same number because ఒక నెంబర్ నుంచి సేమ్ అదే నెంబర్ని సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే యూ గెట్ 0. సో 6 minus 6 you get a 0. That is put in tens. Now coming from hundreds, Amma. In hundreds first number is a 6. How much? First number 6. So You are removing how much? 1. One is a removing. Means you are closing one finger. Still here opening, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is your answer? 5. And that is a write in hundreds. Simple. So don't fear. I mean borrowing's problem gurinchi don't fear. Don't about fear. Okay, don't about bother because it is a simple method. Okay. Now coming to this one. 462 minus 348. Now first number 2 minus 8. 2 is the small number or big number? Compared to 8, 2 is the small number. Yes. So you need borrowing. You need some number. So what you are doing, Amma? You taking borrowing from tens place. Here tens place, which number is there? 6. So after borrowing 6 is a 1 decrease అయిపోతుంది అంటే 1 remove అయిపోతుంది because 1 gone to borrowing 1 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. So 6 is a 5. 6 is a 5. Yes. 6 is a 5. Now after borrowing 2 is a 12 because here taking borrowing 10, again here 2 is there. So 10 plus 2 you get 12. You get 12. So what is your number? 12. You are doing now subtraction. 12 is the big number compared to 8. 12 is the big number compared to 8. So 12 minus 8, you are taking lines. And one more method. What is that one more method? I said now, just now only. What is that? Your second number after nunchi count chestu first number ki reach avali. So second number, what is that? 8. So you are counting. Where is this counting? When you start, when you will start 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 12 because your first number is a 12. So you are counting up to 12. So you are getting how many fingers? 4 fingers. So you are getting how many numbers? 4. So what is your answer? 4. That is a writing up 1 once. Now next one, 5 minus 4. 5. You are removing how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is a closing apine. Still here opening number 1. So what is your answer? 1. Okay. Now next one, 4 minus 3. Again you are taking 4 lines or 4 fingers. You are removing how much, Amma? 3. 1, 2, 3. So still here how much are there? Only 1. 140. What is your answer? 140. Now coming to this third problem. 766 minus 152. First number is a 6. 6. You are removing how much, Amma? 2. You are removing 2. Remove cheyandi. 2 fingers remove cheskondi. Remove cheyadam means closing. 1, 2. So still here opening how many are there? 4. How many are there? 4. That is the right in a ones. Okay. Now coming from tens, and now here also 6 is there. 6 is a big compared to 5. So 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Only 1 is there. Now next one, hundreds. In hundreds, what is the in hundreds? 7. So you are taking how many? 7 lines at 7 fingers. So you are removing only single one. So still here how many are there? Count it. 5, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, total how many? 6. What is your answer? 6. Now here without borrowing. No need borrowing. Here no need borrowing in the third one. Borrowing also mind the no use. Now only where it is you need a borrowing, you take it. అదర్వైజ్ యూ డోంట్ టేక్. అన్నిట్లో బారోయింగ్ తీసుకోవద్దు, ఎక్కడ నీకు యూజ్ అవుతుందో అక్కడ మాత్రమే యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ బారోయింగ్. Now 689 minus 422. Now coming from 1 summa 9 minus 2. Again you are taking how many amma? 9. 9. Okay. You are removing how many? 2. You are removing 2. So still here how many are the 7? This is the one of the method. Now next method. You are counting 2 after. 2 after to first number. Second number after నుంచి first number వరకు count చేయాలి. Count it. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. Okay. How many you get? How many you get? 7. So what is your answer, amma? 7. That is a 7. You should write in a ones place. Now again 8 minus 2. Again you are counting same method. Second number after to first number. Second number after 3. Here second number is what? 2. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here getting how many fingers? 6 fingers. What is your answer, amma? 6. It's a simple method. You should write in a tens. Now coming from hundreds, amma. In 100, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, you are taking 6 lines, you are removing 4. That is one of the method. Now second one, your second number after you are counting to first number. Second number is what? 4. So 4 after 5. Now 6. You are getting only 2. So what is your answer? 2. You should write in hundreds 2. Okay. What is your answer, amma? 267. Please copy it, amma. Now what is today homework? This activity 5 do in test book. Okay. Now page number ఒక్కొక్క టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఒక్కొక్కలా ఉంటాయి. నా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో మాత్రం 39 ఉందమ్మా. కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి, ఒక్కొక్క టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఒక్కొక్కలా ఉంటాయి. బట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ విచ్ వన్? యాక్టివిటీ 5. Okay. Now once I show it our test book. This activity 5. Okay. These are all subtractions do in your test book. Still word problems are there, amma. Only 5. That is I will explain in next class. Thank you.